Hey there, future homeowners. I'm Adam Black, a mortgage professional. Thanks so much for stopping by. You're under contract to buy your dream home, and your realtor's mentioned a home inspection, and your lender, hopefully me, has told you they're going to order an appraisal. But you're not sure what the difference is between the two. Well, today we're diving into this important topic for anyone in the home buying journey. But before we get into it, we've built an entire group of videos explaining the home buying process called the Home Buyer Roadmap. You can find these all at our channel, so make sure you subscribe, like, and as always, hit that little bell so you'll know as we add more mortgage information. First up, we have the home inspection. Think of it like a health checkup for your house. When you're under contract to buy a home, you bring in a professional inspector. They'll carefully examine the house from the roof to the foundation, looking for any issues. Your realtor will likely have a list of professionals for you to interview, and these folks are going to be licensed by their industry's governing body, along with any state licensing you need. Ask questions when speaking to them. What services do they provide? How will they deliver the report to you? Will you need to be present for that? Is there anything extra they provide in addition to the norms that make them stand out from their competition? But why even bother with a home inspection? Well, it helps you uncover potential problems. Maybe there's a leaky roof or a faulty electrical system. Knowing these things early on can save you unexpected headaches down the road. Appliances will be tested. Water pressure will be checked. This is an extremely thorough process from top to bottom and side to side. In addition to the typical home inspection, there may be more specialized reports needed as well. Items such as pool, foundation, etc. These can require extra layers to the inspection or even separate reports from specific professionals. For example, in our area, we have an issue called yazoo clay that can shift a home's foundation and cause cracks. It's not unusual for homes in our area to have a separate foundation inspection by a structural engineer. Any items found during the inspection will be itemized in your report, and you and your realtor can decide which ones you want to address with the seller. Keep in mind also that some of these items might impact your appraisal, which we'll get into next. Now let's talk about home appraisals. Unlike inspections, appraisals focus on the home's value. When you apply for a mortgage, the lender wants to make sure the house is worth the amount you're borrowing. That's where the appraiser comes in. This report is not only going to ensure your investment is safe, but also the lender's risk in the collateral. The appraiser evaluates the home's unique features, the size, the condition, and they compare it to similar homes in the area. These are called comparables, and a normal appraisal will have 3 to 5 that have sold in the last 12 to 18 months, hopefully even more recently. They determine its fair market value, ensuring you're not paying more than the house is worth by proving there's a pattern of sales that supports your purchase price. He's also going to inspect for and list deficiencies within the home. Appraisers call these minimum property standards, and every loan program has specific MPSs that determine if the home meets their lending guidelines or not. If not, these give you the opportunity to address these with the seller and ask for correction, or, if severe enough, give you the opportunity to withdraw from the contract, further protecting your investment. Why is that appraisal important? As a lender, we want to make sure the loan amount aligns with the home's value. It protects you and us by ensuring a fair deal for everyone involved. Everyone always asks me this question: what happens if the appraised value comes in low? When this happens, every lender has their protocol, but most are going to offer several options. You can always pay the difference between sales price and appraised value. We saw this a lot during the pandemic. You can also renegotiate the sales price with the seller with the help of your realtor. This is another great reason to have a realtor on your team. A third option is one that most lenders allow. The listing agent can provide comparables that they believe support the sales price and request a rebuttal from the appraiser. In summary, a home inspection helps you uncover any potential issues, while an appraisal ensures the home's value aligns with your purchase price. Both of these play crucial roles in the home buying process, providing you with the information needed to make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on your journey to home ownership. And please leave comments and tell us anything you'd like to know about the home buying process. This channel is a result of questions we've been asked, and I want to continue to provide relevant info. Until next time, happy house hunting.